All right, guys, so I thought I would show you how to create a digital note card for your digital print shop. Now, these note cards are 5 and a half by 425, and I want to resize this to 5 by 7. All right. And so what I'm going to do, and so again, I'm just tweaking, I call it tweaking. I'm just tweaking this template here. Let me see the colors that I want. I like nude colors, so I am going to go with, but it is spring right now. So maybe I'll try spring colors, yellow, and I'll change all of those to yellow. And then the green, I will have pink and change all of those to pink. Or maybe instead I'm going to make this more of a nautical thing. So I'm going to have blue, change it all to blue, and then maybe like a seafoam green. No, that's too dark. Let's see. Yeah. And the pink, same thing. All right. I'll just leave this like this. And we will have a nautical theme, like I said. All right. So we are going to say that this is the. All right, we're going to go with a beach sail. Templates. Beach sail. Boat. And I want something watercolory. And I just may go back with that pink. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab the colors out of this. Let me bring this up some. I'm gonna do this. All right, and then I want these colors. I'm just using the color tube picker from it's a Google Chrome extension. I use it a lot. All right. So what I'm gonna do is go to my color picker here. I'm gonna get these colors, and my blue will be the pink. I'm gonna change all of those, and then I'm gonna go here. And we are going to change that. All right. So And then we're going to say our family name is, let's see, I'm going to go with Anderson. And we're going to say that Raleigh, I don't know why I like that name. No, wait a minute. All right, so to make it similar to the font that they had earlier, so we're going to say the name is Raleigh Anderson. I want that to be a true black. And okay. So that's too much space for me. Letter spacing, it needs to be closer together. Alright. I don't know what to do with this. I may have to put that at the bottom. I don't know. Okay, and then I'll say, only have 15 minutes, so I have to do this quickly because I'm using the free version again. All right, and I am going to say trying to see if I Anderson letter spacing. I don't like that. Yeah, I don't like that at all. Let me try another. No. I need to see what that looked like before. I did this. These are note cards. Here. Okay, HP. All right, I see. That's what I liked about it. The, let me see. I need to see the font. Because what I like about that font is, see how it's thin? So that is Voga. Okay, that's what I want. I know what that is. Start coming up. Alright, so Voga. No, that's not it. Let's see again. VOGA, VOGA, VOGA. VOGA. All right, then what I'm gonna do is move this up and make it RA, RA, and then that will be Raleigh Anderson. Okay, and I want it to be a true black. Something isn't right here. That's what's not right. Okay. I'm assuming the same thing. Okay, and I need to bring this down some. I'm probably gonna put this like that, and then I'm going to say 1, 2, 3 nautical lane USA 4, 5, 6, 7, something like that, and bring this up. All right, and so now this can be sold as a digital print, as a digital print in your shop. However, this is going to be custom, and so you can make this custom. And so I'm going to go ahead and put this in the shop as a note card. No, I'm going to have this as stationery. Note card stationery. I don't know. It's going to be something like that. Stationery note card. Stationery note card. And then I have one more that I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to add this. And then I will do another video and show you another way to do some stationery. So this is going to be video 1, creating the personalized stationery note card. So that's what I'll have the title as: how to create a personalized stationery note card digital print.